Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how I use FFmpeg. I have written a blog about it. You can go to my blog and have a look at it, but this is take on doing other stuff with FFmpeg, although not very elaborate or detailed, but I'll show you in briefly the capability of FFmpeg. It's a wonderful tool. It's kind of Swiss Army knife of video recording and video editing and related stuff. I use it in a very minimal way but effective way. So in this video I'm going to take a peek or show you something very rudimentary. Okay, so rest of the things will be for your inclination to discover. So without further ado, like this I'm recording this video with FFmpeg. I'll show you the script I use. Okay, so the screen you're seeing in front of you, it is the output of FFmpeg recording the screen. Okay, this is a common screen for all my videos starting. So this is generated out of a script which is running FFmpeg to record the video. Okay, so without further ado, so let me get into my terminal, and if I show you the script I used to record this FFmpeg video. So this is the script. This is simple one-liner script. You can see I just captured the ALSA output and with a 2-channel including pulse, X11 grab to grab the screen where I am at this moment. So this is a screen, the primary screen, :0. This is a linuxkernel, that's a video codec. This is a audio codec, PCMS16LE, and this is the file name where the screen recording go when before releasing the video onto or upload the video in a YouTube. I rename the video from a default screencast with a date stamp padded. So I change it to the name of the video, what is the purpose of the video, so people can easily relate to the video while seeing the title of the video. Okay, this is the one-liner which I'm using to record all my videos with FFmpeg. No rocket science, no fuss. Okay, now I'm going to show you a fancy stuff which I haven't done for any of my previously recorded video. I have recorded almost 200 plus videos on YouTube, right? And I haven't done a single time this kind of stuff. So I'm showing it here for your reference or inclination. So you probably take it. I wrote a script, again a one or two liner. What it'll do, it will print a text right middle of the screen while playing the video. Okay, so it is aptly named static text on video. Okay, so if I do, I have already recorded a screencast for this purpose. I have named my mpeg what is the name says let me zoom it a little bit. You can see now FFmpeg static text on video. That means while the video is playing, the text will be shown right middle of the screen. So whatever I have written, right? So it takes 2 arguments. The actual video file which I have already copied here. Okay, this is the video file which is the first argument. Okay, and there is a quotation of text. Text on video recorded with FFMPEG. Okay, so the text whatever you want to show on the video, recorded video, has to be go like this. Okay, within the quotation, the second argument. So you can see FFmpeg static text on video take two argument, the actual video where you want your text to be shown on the screen while the video is playing, and the second argument is the actual text you wanted to render on the screen while the video is playing. Okay, so I will show you the script, okay, and I will probably give you the actual source in the description section below, so you can use it in your benefit. So if I press enter, so it will going to simply convert and use the draw text. Draw text is a facility of FFmpeg which allows you to write text on videos as a caption. Okay, so to draw text to be work with FFmpeg, you have to compile or build FFmpeg with free type, so which will enhance or build the capability to do draw text on video. Otherwise it will not work. So whatever the OS you are setting, you need to check back your FFmpeg package that it should include the free type library with it while building it. Otherwise draw text will not work on FFmpeg. Okay, just give it some time. As you can see, it is trying to converting and inserting the text. So so don't worry about that error. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, so I have, as you can see from the last line of output, I have converted that file to the original name. You could do so. I'll show you the script in a moment, but let me show you the output first. So if I run mpv screencast, this is the file I have written a text, right? So if I run it like this, see the text is going out of the screen because I have written too much text on it. Okay, so if you write, you can see the effect, right? The text is right middle of the screen, but this text can be placed anywhere. It can be placed bottom of the screen, it can be placed top of the screen, it can be placed anywhere in the screen with a little bit of code or little bit of an adjustment to the code. Okay, I left it, I just halved the. Now this is very interesting, right? So you can give a little bit of caption on your video so people will read through it. Okay, I don't know, I haven't done so for all my videos in the past. I could have, but I'm showing these features can be useful for people who love to read text on video. To give you how the script I use, name FFmpeg static text on video. That is the name of the script I wrote, and here is the content. What it does, it simply take two arguments as I shown to you. The video file is the actual video file to be the argument number one, then the text content what you have to put within the quotation as a second argument to the script. Okay, it will check that it has to have two argument passed to the script, then only it will work, otherwise it will exit simply flow. Now here is the mate. I called up FFmpeg binary with -f with the video file whatever you passed on the command line as a first argument. VF is the flag you need to plus, then you need to write draw text, then you have to give the font file, any specific font file in your system installed, and you need to give the path to the exact font file, which is what I did, you can see, and then you have to give the text variable I'm capturing the text content as a second argument, so I explored that particular variable content. This x and this y, these are the coordinate of the screen. So you can see I have divided the text width and text height by 2. That's why the text coming right middle of the screen. Okay, so you see the text content while I playing the video was coming right middle of the screen, because I have halved the screen resolution by dividing by 2. Okay, the height and width of the existing screen, that's why it was coming in middle of the video. So you can adjust these two parameters to show your render text bottom of the screen while video is playing, or top of the screen while video is playing. It depends up to you. Okay, there is a font color. As you saw, the text was showing on yellow because I put it here. Font size, I have put it like this. Okay, so and here is the interesting thing. This enable between, these are the millisecond or seconds where you need to specify the time how long the text should be rendered on the video. Okay, you need to go back to the FFmpeg manual page to find out this timing stuff. This is what I started the text for this particular at the very beginning and ended it to reach 1 minute. So my render text lasted just 1 minute on the video with this configuration. Okay, so it could be different to you. You could place the text with FFmpeg in different timing of your video very easily. Okay, then it has captured in a particular file which I have renamed to the original video file. Okay, this is the script. I will give you the link of this particular script in the description section below, so you can change it, chop it, use it according to your need. Okay, so it's a wonderful way to express something with very minimal effort and very minimal fuss. Okay, FFmpeg is such a powerful tool and it has got plethora of options. Don't get sink into it. Just pick out what exactly you need to FFmpeg to use it, and discard every other thing. Okay, you don't need the baggages, right? You just pick out the stuff what you exactly need to show, or what is required for your video to render. Okay, I'll give the description of this particular script in the description section below. So before I let you go, I stumble upon somewhere, and I can't remember where, some wise soul has written a better script for, why I'm showing this script to you can chop specific section of the video file from one time to another. That means if a video length is 5 minutes, you can chop from the middle, chop from the start, chop from the end, any specific section with FFmpeg. Okay, so one wise soul has written a better script. I generally use it by hand by just giving start or end timing stump where I want to end or start, and directed it to a file where it store only the time section I have given on the command line for that specific video. Okay, so but this person has written a better interactive program. Say for instance, let me show you the script. FFmpeg cut. So simple. FFmpeg cut is the script. It is so this is the entire script, which is very well written. If I run this script, it will prompt me whether which section of the video I want to cut specifically. I need to give the start time, I need to give the end time. Okay, according to that it will cut the section of the video and store it to another. So this is the segment you need to care from start to end. Okay, so this is what I have highlighted, and I used to give this kind of stuff by hand on the command line before I discovered this script. So this script is a very interactive way of doing the specific section to be cut from a video and store it in a file. So it is very useful stuff. So what I'll do, I'll give the link of this particular script also in the description section below, and if you find out the author of this particular script, I get it from the internet and I forgot where I get it. If you found out the original author of this particular script, please give back the credit to that particular author, whoever written it. Okay, so this is a video I have shown you that how you could write a text on a FFmpeg recorded video. Okay, and how with the script how you can cut a specific section of the FFmpeg recorded video to a specific file to show that particular section. Okay, so I hope it will be a useful thing to use, because I use FFmpeg very extensive, and this is the only tool I am using for recording video and all this stuff. So I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.